Good morning, traders, and this is your Aussie day trade setup for today. So just starting off in the weekly, we've got a bit of a rejection pin bar here. Now, I'm not entirely sure why we're rejecting because it's not quite off a level. I'll look at my lower time frames, but there's my level there. And it could be off the level, but we'll see on the lower time frames. But at the moment, still a lot of confusion here on the daily, and this double top neckline here is what has been rejected on the daily. Okay, so technically speaking, a break below the low of yesterday would trigger a whole lot of shorts. Okay, so pretty much, we'll pick it up here, somewhere around here. We'll pick it on the low frames. But if you look at the 3 hour, you can see still confusion. Big up, big down. Sellers still coming in off this level. But we do have a potential trend change here. Okay, so that's kind of what I would expect. The US markets were up yesterday, pretty much another %. So that is something to look at. The rand dollar 15.34 at the moment. It's kind of hovering there. And US futures at the moment are slightly up. Everything is pretty much slightly up at the moment. So, yeah, I think looking at the US and the Dax looking like they want to break through their consolidation pattern. And if that happens, we'll probably follow suit. So that's probably what we need to wait and see. Okay, so low of yesterday is there. Okay, so a break below 4,800 is going to trigger a lot of shorts. Okay, now whether that's going to happen or not is another story. So this is quite a big sell-off, and it's off quite a few levels. You see it's a 200 simple moving average and the top here. Whenever you see these intersecting trend lines, and the 200 moving average is a trend line, you normally have sellers stepping in off that quite aggressively, and you can see that happened yesterday. So I think what you can do is pretty much put that trend line in, and let's take that's been a pullback, and the buyers have stepped in off this breakout. Okay, so I suspect we're probably going to gap to the upside and another attempt to break through this level here of 48,700, 47.10. So I think for me at the moment, looking like we have a little inside bar here as well. So there's probably another attempt. I would suspect long is the view for today, but watch out for this level here. I just don't see us breaking through with very much conviction at the moment. If you look at how many times we've bounced off this area, so it's quite a strong level. So we've got to wait for that break. So we need to wait for that break and the retest of this level before we can confirm that the level's gone. But nothing stopping us looking for another attempt to the upside. A break below the low of yesterday is going to trigger shorts, and we're more than likely going to move back down to this area here, which is 47,450. Okay, so those are the two scenarios at the moment. So for me, we'll have to wait and see if they open. That first half hour will be very telling. And if we do start seeing some price action on the lower time frames, something like this is looking like a flag. So move down, flag, and then up. But it just boiled down to the low of yesterday. We break below the low of yesterday, it's short. Okay. Otherwise, what you're looking for is another attempt at the top. And I think, looking at what went on last night and what's going on now, that's more than likely what's going to happen. So just wait for that first half hour, see what happens. If you break above that first half hour candle this morning, long it is, stop below the low of yesterday, and your target is pretty much this area here. Okay, if we do gap up quite high, don't try chase it. Wait for the pullback before getting in on it. But yeah, that's my view at the moment. Watching this level with anticipation, because if we do get through that, that's going to set a trend change for us, and then there's no more of this range-bound nonsense that we've seen this month. Okay, so anyway, guys, hope it helps, and I will catch you later. Cheers for now.